Hello students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. Today I am going to start new lesson, name of a lesson you can identify after seeing this picture. Don't feel it's a piece of a cake. No, it's not a piece of cake. Let me introduce the lesson name to you. Story of soil. Story of soil. So, it's a picture of soil. Yet we are aware of topsoil, a soil which we can see that thing comes under topsoil, and subsoil is the soil which is under the topsoil. So, you know that most of our earth is covered with water. In my previous videos, I explained you what was the lesson name? Water, water, everywhere. So in that lesson, I explained you most of the most of the earth is covered with water. So now, today we are discussing on soil. The rest of land, soil covered much of earth's land surface. So here, soil covers much of earth's land surface. Most life on the earth depends upon soil for food. All the living things are depend upon food, right? So what is the most important thing here? Soil. Plants are rooted in the soil. True. Plants are rooted in the soil. Here you can see plants are rooted in the soil. Plants get nutrients from the soil. If plants get nutrients from the soil, animals get nutrients from plants. Animals are getting nutrients from plants. Many kinds of animals find shelter in the soil. Many kinds of animals find shelter in the soil. Let me show you some pictures so that you can understand clearly what are the animals. Let me show you with the picture. As I mentioned you just now, many kinds of animals find shelter in the soil. So these are the animals who find shelter in the soil. Rabbit, snake, and some more other animals, they find shelter in the soil. Let me show you some more pictures. These are more pictures so that you can understand clearly. Snails and earthworm, slug, these all are the insects which live in the soil. Let me show you some more pictures. See children, here. Where they live? They live in the soil. So with the help of that pictures, I believe you understood what type of animals live in the soil. Now come to types of soil. So in this, we are going to understand about types of soils. Soil is made up of very small pieces of rocks, dead plants and animals. Soil has two main layers. Keep in your mind, listen carefully, topsoil and subsoil. Two main layers, children, topsoil and subsoil. Go to a field, pick up some soil from the ground, feel it. What you are going to feel? What do you feel? You will find the soil to be loose. There may be roots of plants in it. This is called topsoil. Got it, children? A soil, if you find it's like a soil to be loose, like a very, light soil, then it is called as topsoil. Now let me explain you the meaning of subsoil. Dig into the soil of a few feet. Dig the soil few feet more. For few feet. What do you feel? What do you find? Deep soil is closely packed. Yes, it is true. Deep soil is closely packed. There may be some rocks in deep soil. This hard layer is called subsoil. So got it, children? The hard layer of the soil. Under the soil it will be topsoil, then subsoil. So hard layer is called as subsoil. Below the subsoil is rock. Soil is basically of four types. Soil is basically of four types. You are aware of sand, you are aware of clay, right? You are aware of gravel and loam. I'm going to show you these pictures too. Now let me explain you the meaning of sandy soil. Sandy soil contains many large particles. Sand is found in deserts or riverside. It is very loose. Subsoil is also loose and sandy soil is also loose. Water sinks quickly into sand. Sand is not fertile. Got it, children? Gravels are biggest particles of sand. Bigger particles of sand. They dry quickly. It is not a fertile soil. It's not a fertile soil. Here sand is also not a fertile soil, and here gravel is also not a fertile soil. Clay. You are aware of clay? Is clay a fertile soil? No, it is not. Why? Let us find out. Clay are made up of many small particles that remained wet for a long time. So, they are heavy and sticky. How they are? They are very heavy and sticky. Clay is used for making potteries. Got it, children? So, this is also not a fertile soil. Clay doesn't come under fertile. Looms are fertile soil. They are made of a mixture of clay and sand. They also contain decayed plants and animals. Got it, children? They also contain plants and animals. Meet a farmer and collect information regarding a better yield or crop. Yield of crop. You will learn that a farmer does not grow the same crop in the same field every year. They'll change the fertility every year. How and why? Because of the soil. Because he believes in crop rotation. He believes in crop rotation. Like this year, if we grow rice, then next year he is going to grow vegetables or some other things. I underline some of the vocabulary here. Work on that. Read this passage. Read this page to improve your reading part. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.